Hello everyone, this is my web application, Intelligent Marketing System. You can use it to do automatic evaluation of bidding documents, track project progress, collaborate online, organize documents. Now let me show you how this works. First you need to use email and password to log in. Because the target audience of this system is enterprises or companies, in order to protect data and privacy from being leaked, users can only log in using the account assigned by the administrator. Now we use this account to log into the system. Okay, this is the home page of the web app. Users can directly click here to do bidding automatic assessment. I will show you how it works later. Now let's look at the top of the page. This is navigation bar for other view components. This is the architecture for this. Other view components are using the framework of the app view. Home view can redirect to any other part of the system. And those parts use API JS. All requests are encapsulated in services JS. Let's look at the bidding automatic assessment. I use the products list to let users check whether these products of the bidding are available or not. The company's daily production capacity is compared with the expected production capacity. The expected production capacity is equal to the number of products divided by the time required for production. The product quality requirements are divided into 5 levels by default. Let me explain how this score is generated. In this algorithm, there are 5 variables: the company's total daily production capacity, the number of products on the bid, the total production time, the quality level requirements of the product, and whether the products on the bid are within the company's production range. Whether the product on the bid is within the company's production range, this item occupies 40% of the final evaluation result. It is expected that the greater the required production capacity, the greater the pressure of the company's production and the lower the score. Because the units of various products are different, the comparison of production capacity can be reduced to a percentage. This score accounts for 30% of the final evaluation result. Quite simply, the lower the quality requirement, the higher the score. This score also accounts for 30% of the final evaluation result. About adding a new bidding, you must enter the name and the content of the bidding, select the client, and choose which product to add. If we click the eye icon, which is to show the detail of the selected bidding, the page will be redirected to the display bidding page. You also can just enter the new name and click the update button to edit the name of the bidding. The same method is used to change the status. You also can just click the add icon to upload file about contract or invoice. About projects, this is also an important part of the entire system. First we need to enter a name and selection status to create a new project. Back to the projects list, click the eye icon to show details of the selected project. We can add a new stage, delete it, or edit it. Create a team in the project by selecting some people and group them. Click the icon to display who are in the team. We can add a new task and choose a team member as the owner. In the project page, when we click the detail icon of the selected team, the page will be redirected to the team view component. About this part, we can modify the name of the team, change the status. Users just need to click the button to add team members. Viewing the task will return to the project page where the task is belonged in. In the data center, users can view all the teams, tasks, products, clients and staff. Users can find the team and the task which they are looking for. Adding a new product or a new client is very easy. You only need to click the cell to edit what you want to change. Saving files is the most important part of this system. Users can categorize and manage files based on the types they upload. If you want to save the file, you can click the button to download it. Also the same way to delete the file which you don't want to see it. In the next stage, I will explain all the elements of the system that I was showing just now and describe the technologies that are running behind the scene. This picture is the architecture of the entire system. Users can use this web application on a variety of terminals. The only condition is that multi-purpose devices need to be connected to the internet. The client-side application is developed by View. The web application people can see and use is the View app, which is deployed in the Firebase. The server-side web API is developed by Node.js. After developing, the web API is published to the Heroku. The framework of the system is Maven, which represents MongoDB, Express, Vue.js and Node.js. The web API stores data into the MongoDB Atlas, which is the cloud version of MongoDB database. Whether it is web API or View app, third-party APIs are used. In the web API, I use Mocha and Chai to do the functional tests. They allow me to check whether all the CRUD operations about the database can work successfully. Mocha is a feature-rich JavaScript test framework running on Node.js and in the browser, making asynchronous testing simple and fun. Mocha tests run serially, allowing for flexible and accurate reporting, while mapping uncaught exceptions to the correct test cases. In software development, integration is a process where unknown errors are likely to occur. Continuous integration is a software development practice. In my developing, I used GitLab to realize the SICT functions. In the View app, most of the pages have some functions for user to click or enter some texts. In this situation, we must use a tool which can represent human beings, or act like human to do the operations. Because of these, I decided to use Cypress to test the running of the web page. All documents in the system will be encrypted and stored. MongoDB Atlas can store a considerable amount of data, but it also has flaws. Because it is a cloud database, it has high requirements for network stability. And keeping data in other institutions is also a challenge to protect data privacy. In this case, keeping the data on a private cloud server is still full of danger. When the amount of enterprise data reaches a certain level, all data should be stored in a private server, and some outdated data can also be permanently backed up after compression. The above is my introduction to the intelligent marketing system. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.